Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Number 842.
842. So this is a problem I saw on Twitter, posted by our friend Amy Hogan, and it's called the Riddler Classic. So I think this is from another website. It says if I flip a coin, if it's heads, I win the game. If it's tails, then I have to flip again, now needing to get 2 heads in a row to win.
Okay.
If on my second toss I get another tails instead of heads, then I now need 3 heads in a row to win. If instead I get heads on my second toss, having flipped tails on the first toss, then I still need to get a second head to have 2 heads in a row and win. But if my next toss is tails, having thus tossed tails, heads, tails, I now need to flip 3 heads in a row to win.
Alright.
And so on. The more tails you've tossed, the more heads in a row you'll need to win the game. I may flip a potentially infinite number of times, always needing to flip a series of n heads in a row to win, where n is t plus 1 and t is the number of cumulative tails tosses. I win when I flip the required number of heads in a row.
Alright.
What are my chances of winning this game? It says a computer program could figure this out, but maybe is there a mathematical expression we could write down? This is a hard problem, first of all. So I don't think we're actually going to get all the way to the end on the solution on this. I just want to see if we can say anything about this problem. But most importantly at the beginning here, do you understand it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So would you write down a winning sequence for me, please? Any winning sequence.
The first one would be just 1 head.
Check it. Is that on camera?
That's not on the camera. It's right at the top.
No,
There we go.
just a little bit. Okay, 1 head. All right.
Markers.
Marker's not so good.
So you could do tail, head, tail, head, head, head. I think it's a winning sequence.
All right. Tail, head, head is a winning sequence. Okay. Check that marker. Okay. Can you write down another winning sequence, please? Use capital letters too.
Oh, okay. So, tail, head, tail, tail, and then head, 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 head.
Okay. Excellent. All right. Very good. I like this. Do you have any questions about the problem?
No.
Okay. Steve? So my first question before we dive into it is, what do you think the chances of winning here are?
Well, I mean, I think it is greater than a half, since on your first flip you have a half chance of winning, and then after that you have like a bit more chance of winning.
Okay.
So I think it's around. It's bigger than a half. Maybe it's around 3/4.
Okay, you think it's 3/4? Do you have any guess just other than bigger than a half?
Maybe around like 2/3.
Maybe around 2/3.
Not a super lot.
But not a lot bigger than 2/3. Okay. So you think around 3/4, you think around 2/3. Okay, well let's see if there's, we can find anything to say about this.